Kelly here. I just want to make a really quick video about our Vial long-lasting lip color as I'm about to run out the door. So I've just got to put my lips on and go because I have an appointment to get to. But I wanted to tell you about it because I haven't done that on YouTube yet. So Vial's been around for like a year and it's really taking off. My dogs are... Dog mom, I'm not sure which is more difficult, dogs or kids. Anyway, Vial is vegan. It's made with green chemistry. Doesn't dry out your lips. So we start with the primer. Always scrape off the extra. I like this little applicator because it has this little pointy tip to it. I'm not sure why there's pink on here. This is the primer. There should not be lipstick on here yet. This is what's going to lock your color into place. It's the primer. This is step one. You need the primer if you want it to last a long time. If you don't really care, you don't need the primer, but the primer is what makes it long lasting. So you just put on a thin layer of that primer. You wait for it to get a little sticky, tacky, like the back of a Post-it note. At this point, I usually do my eye makeup while I wait for it to get tacky, but I went out of order today. Through the magic of editing, it's been 60 seconds, and now it is tacky, and I'm going to apply this lip color. It's funny, I didn't even plan this. This lip color matches this shirt so well. It's called Stop Blushing. I haven't seen anyone this doesn't look good on. So when you pull the applicator out, it's going to have a lot of product on it. What you do is just scrape off that extra. Really, a little bit goes a long way. That's how Posh rolls. Scrape off the extra. And then apply. I'm gonna need the mirror for this one. So it doesn't dry super fast, so you can play with it. See, I'm using it like a lip liner. You can press it together, touch up any mistakes. It does not dry instantly. All the colors are matte, not glossy. There is an awesome gloss if you want a glossy look. This feels like butter. However, the gloss does reduce the length of wear. So if you want a long-lasting lip color, skip the gloss. All right, so it's drying. This is Stop Blushing. This is what it looks like on me. It's kind of a darker pink on fair complexions like myself, and more of a like natural lip tone color on people with darker complexions, I've found. The fun thing about Vial is that it comes in tons of different colors, and you could take two colors and mix them up together. You can just apply them as so and then push them together and make a whole new color. There are also what we call toppers. These are two of our newest toppers. One is a very light pink, the other is a shimmery purple. So I'm gonna show you what the pink looks like on top of Stop Blushing. This color is called Sheerly You Jest. Again, scrape off the extra. Here we are before. And here we are after. That is just a little hint of Vial for you. So many colors, toppers, gloss, whatever. You can mix, you can match. You can get the primer and two colors, or a color and a topper, or a color and a gloss in this tri-tin, or you can buy them separately. It's totally up to you. I hope you found this informational and educational, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will come back with more product reviews very soon. Bye.